To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Hello! In this video, we will learn about the long I sound. I. When the magic E comes at the end of a word, the letter I makes the long I sound, and the letter E is silent. I'm. Time. I'm. Time. Lime. I'm. Lime. What is the time? What is the time? Ike. Bike. Ike. Bike. Hike. Ike. Hike. Mike can hike. Mike can hike. I've. Five. I've. Five. Dive. I've. Dive. 5 kids can dive. 5 kids can dive. Ein. 9. Ein. 9. Line. Ein. Line. Fine. Ein. Fine. My 9 fine kites. My 9 fine kites. The letters IGH make the long I sound. I. Light. 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 Fight. 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 Right. 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 Night. 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 The light is bright. The light is bright. The letters IE make the long I sound. I. Pie. I. Pie. Tie. I. Tie. Die. I. Die. Lie. I. Lie. I have a tie and a die. I have a tie and a die. The letter Y can make the long I sound when it comes at the end of a word. I, cry, I, cry. Sky, I, sky. My, I, my. Spy, I, spy. My kite is in the sky. My kite is in the sky.